Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the unresponsive start and taskbar in our Windows 11 devices using this command. Okay, so first we will open the task manager, and we can do that by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape key in our keyboard. And the moment you do that, you will see the task manager window coming up on your screen. So here you'll need to look for the run new task option in the file tab. So this one, once you click on this, you will see another window coming up on your screen. So in the search tab, please type CMD, and then please make sure that this option that says create this task with administrative privileges is checked or selected. And the moment you do that, please click on OK. So in this black window, we will paste the command that I have left in the description box below. So please copy it and then paste it in this black window. So the moment you paste it, it will automatically restart or do a restart with your device, and then see to it if the problem is now fixed. Okay, so if you're still facing problems or issues, you can also go with another commands that I have left in the description box below. Just visit or just go again with the process that we made and go with this black window again, and you will see, or you will paste here the 3 commands one by one. This is the first command, this is the second command, and this is the third command. And then after pasting each command, just make a quick restart with your device, and then once done trying running system file checker or SFC scan, you can make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.